Convertible at Unique, especially in classics. 2006 Ford Mustang GT convertible. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Ford Racing cold air intake has also been added underneath there, as well as Ford Racing mufflers. So opened up to breathe a little bit better. Definitely sounds good. About 82,000 miles approximately on this car. Torch red exterior with the charcoal and red leather interior. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car from the underside, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. 5-spoked polished wheels, and you can also see slotted rotors up front with Willwood brakes that have been added. Aftermarket stereo too, I noticed, had been added. Nice Pioneer installation, professionally done. A little different shift knob, as you can see there. There's also a round ball shift knob in the center console if you wanted to add that instead of having the taller one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Included with the sale of this vehicle will be a front end cover that you can see over there. Wanted to put it on for longer trips, or if you're doing a little cross-country traveling with it, wanted to cover up the front bumper, front fascia area, there is a front end cover. Power convertible top, black cloth top, and we're going to put that up at the end of the video. Check out the condition of that. It's basically like new. It looks like it's been put down for the majority of its life. You can also see it in the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, paint. Nice condition on this car. Yes, with the miles and bigger the age, you're going to have a few little chips or nicks here or there, like up on the hood. But overall, you can see up and down both sides of this car. It is definitely not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Take a look at the red interior, which is factory and option back in 2006, as well as the door panel inlays. They have the red floor mats to kind of highlight the seats. Exterior power seat here on the driver's side is in working order, and you can see as far as bolster, sides of the seat, free of rips, tears, holes. All right, we're going to go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run, and we'll take a peek underneath the hood. Let you check out the engine bay. And again, 4.6 liter, paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, stereo, working order, exact miles, 82,294, is it? There you go. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. That's just for the seat belt, since I don't have that on. Top of the dash. So really, overall, nice condition inside and out. Until it's well taken care of. Again, considering miles, year. And again, Ford Racing mufflers, still cats on there, catalytic converters, everything on there. They just open it up, breathe a little bit better with the cold air intake and the exhaust, and a nice throaty exhaust note you get out of those Ford Racing mufflers. You'll be able to see them in the still pictures from the underside. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. There'll be a prop rod to hold the hood up, and we'll check out that engine bay. Then we'll check out that convertible top, wrap this video up. So take a look at the underside of that hood liner. Doesn't appear this has been driven in any sort of inclement weather, which doesn't surprise me, being a rear wheel drive vehicle and convertible. Probably parked for the colder months and enjoyed when the sun's out. It's nice and warm. Here's that 4.6 liter. Again, Power steering, power brakes, AC. It's that Ford Racing cold air intake. It's a nice condition underneath the hood also. Alright, let me close that back up. We'll put the top up. I'll come back and we'll check out the condition of that.
Here's a 2006 Ford Mustang convertible. Blower fan works. Radio works. This is a manual transmission. Oil pressure, battery, coolant, all is normal. That's 60 miles an hour. The car goes perfectly straight. Do work. Brakes good. At 60 miles an hour again. Got a little wing noise. Convertible top. Not much. Nice driving car.
The top up, so black fabric top, cloth I would say, nice shape, no rips, tears, holes, or glass rear window with defogger, good shape, and that's probably because how much are you going to have a top up if you own a convertible to drive in the summer? You need it to keep you out of the rain or sun. It's going to do that just fine. 2006 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Give us a call here at Unique, especially in classics. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call there.